Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the Trinet HR. So in this video, we cannot really access the dashboard since we have to book a demo and then contact the sales or the support in order for us to sign up for an account. So what I'm going to do here is to show you the different products or the solutions that they are offering. Okay, so let's just go to the I want to section. So when you clicked on this one, as you can see, we have here offer benefits, manage employees, automate HR, then all of the above, stay compliant, run payroll, access HR. Okay, so now let's go here to the offer benefits. So for example, you want to offer benefits. All right. So here you can attract and retain great talent with benefit packages that rival big companies without managing it all on your own. Okay. So here with the Trinet, okay, so they help on onboarding workflows and document management, benefit administration, and enrollment support, employee education and self service tools, access to competitive benefit options, ACA and COBRA compliance best practices, and then access to Trinet preferred broker partners or work with one you already know. So we have here the HR options. So we have the PEO and the HR Plus. So for the services, you can see that right here. And then what are included. Right. So if you want to offer benefits, so you can just go here. Now let's go ahead and proceed to manage employees. Okay, so if you are hiring your fifth or 50th employee, TriNet helps you manage your team with ease, right? So here, how TriNet helps. So they provide tools and experts best practice guidance to help you manage people operations so you can focus on building your company and leaving a legacy, not HR paperwork. Okay, so for your HR options for the managed employees, we have here now the services. Then for the PO, it includes every features, and for the HR Plus, it includes everything except these two. So we have the employee relations support and the talent and organizational consulting. Okay, now let's proceed to the automate HR. Okay, so here you can automate HR tasks so you can spend more time leading and less time on administrations. So manual HR processes can slow you down and open doors for errors. So if you're stuck in spreadsheets or chasing data across multiple systems, it is time to step up and it's time to upgrade. Now, how Trinet helps you. So here, you can stay organized with digital onboarding and e-signatures. Keep consistent schedules with automated time off and time tracking. Make things easy with payroll processing that integrates with benefits administration, time, and expenses. And provide a great employee experience with a modern self service portal and mobile app. Okay, and then here for your HR options, so we have the PEO again, and then the HR Plus. So for the services, you have that right here, and then you can see here what are included and what are not included. All right, now let's proceed to the stay compliant. Okay, so HR compliance helps for companies who know staying on top of rules and regulations is critical. So, but don't have time to do it. So, I think this tool is a good solution for that. So, how Trinet helps? Trinet helps you mitigate risk and navigate compliance with dedicated HR professional tools and insights tailored to your business and an industry and location. So, whether you're navigating ACA requirements, workers' camp, or employee handbook updates, we've got your back. Right, so here you can access to HR compliance experts who stay on top of state and federal law changes, best practice guidance on ACA, COBRA, employment related and benefit compliance, and then support for workers' comp and risk mitigation, and review readiness and documentation best practice. Right, so again, we have here our HR options. Now let's proceed to run payroll. Okay, so for small businesses that want simpler payroll every time. So running payroll should not feel like a second full-time job, but for many small and mid-sized businesses, it does. Navigating payroll tax compliance, deadlines, and manual errors can drain time, create risk, and leave little room to focus on your team or your growth. So here, how Trinet helps you solve this problem. So Trinet simplifies payroll with options HR solutions based on your needs, from comprehensive, dedicated support to self-service options. Whether you need to start the finish payroll processing or just help with the tricky parts, we can help take a burden off your plate so you can focus on what matters most. So growing your business. So it helps you automate payroll tax calculation and benefit deduction for more precise pay runs, track hours, breaks, and PTO with real time digital tracking, and then submit, approve, and reimburse employee expenses in one streamlined platform. Okay, now for your HR options, so we have the PEO and then the HR Plus. And as you can see on the services, it has so many services. And then you'll be able to see here the list. And lastly, we have the Access HR Experts. Okay, so from hiring and compliance to difficult conversations, Trinet gives you the access to real HR professionals who can help you navigate the tricky stuff. So here, how the Trinet helps you. So with the Trinet, you can get access to experienced HR professionals who offer real-time best practice guidance based on your industry, location, and business needs. So HR experts that provides real-time best practice guidance, help with employee relations and disciplinary actions, policy development and handbook support, and strategic workforce planning and compliance advice. Then we have here the HR options. Alright, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.